Chanell, and we're back with another video. And today's video is we're gonna learn how to make a face serum. Ooh, a face serum. Cat Chanell, girl, what the world? Y'all, I know. I go from making lip gloss, making shirts, making lip scrubs, making foam and sugar scrubs. Now I'm trying to learn how to make some serum. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. It is true. I'm trying to make a face but yes, y'all. So let's get into it. So our aloe vera oil is our base, and the aloe vera oil is I said oil. Aloe vera gel. It's good for like our skin because it's from the plant base, and many people use it on skin, hair, and all that. And so we're just gonna make a quick moisturizing serum after every face wash. And glycerin is good for the skin because it adds the moisture to it. So everything here is moisture. And then we're going to use coconut oil. I'm not going to use a lot of coconut oil, but we're going to use very. We're going to give everything a mix. Everything. See how this come about. See if we get that face serum texture. If I'm doing something, I got to get a reel out of it. So Instagram has to see me make this. We're gonna make it 90 lamps, and yes, we're gonna use their camera. They gotta see me make a face serum. So we're making a face serum, and I want to show y'all how the oil is really going into our base. And our base is aloe vera. We're using glycerin and jojoba oil and coconut oil. But that's what we want. We want to see that texture because that texture is what we can apply as a serum, because the serum is more like a liquidy texture. And look what I'm saying. It's a liquidy texture. I don't know how to make theirs pigment or stuff like that, but I want to make mine pigment, and I also want to add some flavoring oils into it, you know, make it smell good, you know. So for my reel, y'all stay in tune to see what flavor oils that I put in here to make it smell good. And for y'all, let's stay in tune to see what flavor oils I do put in our little tube. And I don't want to put that much, but let's see if I need to add more aloe vera gel to like cover up this lip. Look at this, y'all. So you add the juice to it, it still holds its ground as like, you can't break me down with no oils like this. Wow. What I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna add a little bit of gel to this, you know, a little bit of gel. And when you are making lip gloss, you add a little bit more to thicken it up. So that's what I want to do. I want to thicken it up. I don't know, y'all. I might have it onto something. Back. Okay, so y'all want to know, like, what is that? So this holds all my pigments, flavoring oil, and then the top holds some of my lashes, my flavoring oils, and my makeup. So that's what this is. Okay, so should we do Madagascar vanilla? Even though know it smells good. So we're gonna do one of those. Or we're gonna do cupcake. Let's smell cupcake. A little bit of that. Or we're gonna do coffee cake. No, not coffee cake. It adds that little... Okay. Got that from over there. Now here's more of our flavors. Chocolate mint. Okay. Alright. Oh, nope. You can come up here. This is why I had separated all my flavor oils, because it's a lot. I have to jam pack them in there, so that's why. Okay. Yeah, this thing smells so good with the mixture flavors. It smells so good. I can't stop smelling it. So, let me go grab a funnel. I know them syringe is gonna get in there. So, let's see if this funnel is gonna get the stuff in here. So y'all, we're gonna have to try a syringe, cause she ain't going down, but slowly but surely, and I won't even eat. Okay, can you come on? Okay, we're gonna give it a syringe. These oils is not coming back up in here if I have to sit here and clean out one more leak of them. I don't even know who leaked. I'm just saying. Y'all can't leak oil because y'all are bad. Alright. So, we're going to have to do this like lip gloss style. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna keep doing the lip gloss standard stuff. Like fill it up in the lip gloss syringe and go from there. Yeah, this can be messy, but this should be enough going in. If y'all can see. So apparently I'm over here making a mess. minutes and comment be like, did you have fun making a mess? And I'm like, yeah, it's kind of something I do anyway. I just make messes. Okay. Put that up. I'm gonna grab something with my hands and wipe that off. I don't have anything else to put this in, but here is my face serum, and I am very, very pleased with the texture. The texture feels nice. It feels so nice. I can say a little goes a long way. I can show y'all on my hand. It's too good. But just from the looks of it, it feels like a serum too. And you just rub that in here. Do y'all see the difference? It adds that shine and that glow. And that's what you want. That's what you want in your serum, to add that shine and that glow. So from this little bunch, it added that shine and that glow. And I wish it can go in there. But if y'all trying to find something to savor it in, hold on, I got something to savor it in. I got something. I always keep something with savor in your hand. Okay. Always got me something. And god damn, it filled it up. It filled it up. Look. Uncle P, you're not gonna see the sun. Move in. Fool, look at that fool. You too fool. Look, we're too full. What are you doing? It's okay, y'all could be full. And where I'm gonna store both of them at, I'm gonna show y'all. So right there is my cooler for face products and all that stuff, and that's where I'm gonna store these little guys in. And since Instagram Reel is the first to see this product being made, and y'all gonna be the first to see it made too, just stay in tune, because you never know if I might really make this and I make it as a skincare, and everybody gonna be buying serums for me. I like that. Everybody gonna be buying serums for me. Yeah. So if you want to see me doing it on my face as my skincare routine, please stay in tune for that. And thank you for watching. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're old here, bye sis.